Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover your investment with Tesla step by step clearly. To recover your investment with Tesla, start by conducting thorough market research. Analyze Tesla's financial performance over the past few years. Look into key metrics such as revenue growth and profit margins. Monitor market trends and industry news that could impact Tesla's share price. Set clear goals for your investment recovery. Decide on a recovery timeframe that aligns with your financial situation. Review your current Tesla investment position. Assess the number of shares you own and their average purchase price. Consider any dividends received and tax implications of your investment. Evaluate the possibility of dollar cost averaging. This approach involves buying more shares at different prices to lower your average cost. Keep an eye on Tesla's stock volatility. Be prepared for market fluctuations and avoid making impulsive decisions. Utilize stop-loss orders to protect your investment from significant declines. Set a stop-loss percentage based on your risk tolerance. Explore selling covered calls if you own shares. This can generate additional income while holding your investment. Stay informed about Tesla's product announcements and developments. Innovations in electric vehicles and battery technology can positively affect stock value. Consider diversifying your portfolio to mitigate risks. Investing in related industries, like renewable energy, can provide balance. Consult with a financial advisor to tailor your recovery strategy. Regularly review your investment performance and adjust your plan as needed. Document your experiences and lessons learned for future investments. Ultimately, stay patient and committed to your recovery strategy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.